Go hold it there.
What are you looking to do?
Right, go right in. No, to give you an edge to weld into.
Oh, you need... Must you give them wee discs?
Not a big pile for them ones.
Oh, they're buck key, are they?
They're Connells. Mates rates. Let's get a close up. I don't like doing this for a grinder because you end up, I only have one camera and I don't want to damage it. So we're buffing off an edge just to help with the weld. If you see here, I have went ahead and I've marked that all that should fit the top of the container. So this is Trevor's welder. Your favourite welder, eh?
Oh.
For on-site welding of bulldozers and diggers and whatever else you break.
He's had a bucket.
I says to Brian, I'd fill that up. He says, no, japers, you will not, he says. I said, no bother. Money saved. These separate, or have you them all tangled?
No, they should be. They should come all right there.
Hey, that's quite thick cable, isn't it?
I see you want to buy that now as well.
But sure, right, whenever I was originally, you don't know this, but I was going to be a taxi driver at one stage, done all my tests and all, COVID messed it up. So in buying this ground, I was originally looking at the 3-phase up at the top, the potential for charging, because if I was going to have an electric car, or if I was going to be a taxi driver, it would be with an electric car. Eco guy and all. But a power NI guy pulled in one day talking about the transformer up in that pole that I would have been looking to hook onto, right? And he reckons 30,000 wouldn't have done it. $60-13 rods. Here, you hold that there and I'll stick a stitch on the inside just to hold it, right? And then you can... Right? Need to take the paint off, wouldn't we? Yeah.
I'll get it on now. I want to grind.
Hit that lip there just. That's it, mate. How do I do the other side?
With the dents in the timber, you're going to be trying to catch them these holes still, are you?
Oh, I would say so, aye. Hey, you welding uphill, yeah? Huh? You weld uphill?
You having to get this off?
I will get something, get screwdriver or hammer. Do you want? You know, watch out for my rods. We're just seeing how this board fits. How flat it sits on top of the container. 100. Tell them what we done.
Who done?
That end one is meant to be a single, not a double. Well, it was a good practice. What did you do now? Now we get to see how good your weld was. It looks pretty good from here. Let me go and get the 4-inch grinder. Do you want to come with me and we'll get something to eat? We'll get back to this.
Oh, go on ahead. I'll give a cut to this guy.
Aye. Right, this is for Robin and anyone else that's going to be fitting a gully. Curbside gully, direction of traffic, the hinge has to be here so that it opens up, so that if you hit it for obvious reasons, it'll go down. Trevor explained that whenever we were installing it, but I hadn't got the speaker working on the microphone. Right guys, I was away getting a wee grinder there off a friend Connell, and Trevor has cut that section out. He has replaced it with a single, and now he's flat out welding this first double on. You know, it's really good whenever you have help, because it allows me to spend a wee bit more attention on making the videos. What do you see? More like a film crew than a worker. It's not easy. Let's see what he can get me to do. Hey, you good? I don't mind getting flash back here. Right, I welded this piece on, but I had it on photo mode, like a dummy, and you didn't get to see it. Well, we're talking about me getting flashed, but I'm prepared to take one for the team here, the YouTube team. He's welding uphill. He'll be doing something like this, making a wee smiley face, and the bead will fall down into it. Well, at least that's the plan. I don't want to get this thing too close because I only have one camera. Hey, you doing all right for being the wrong side of it? You were standing, leaning over. I seen you welding. I got there. Some view, folks. I took a go at welding here and it didn't work out, so Trevor had to redo it for me. I'm only a cameraman today. The half of 4.2 is 2.1, so we want to take 2.075.
2075.
Yeah. From my side. Why am I going to end? 2075. Not easy. Okay, this isn't exact, but it's going to work, isn't it?
Yeah.
This here container's been patched. It must have got a bash. From here across, what, 18 inches, it's got a knock, so. Gone ahead. Got me far away there now.
You alright?
Yep, gone. I could get electrocuted this crack.
Oh, no.
You got it?
Good enough.
Yeah.
It's square.
100%. Keep her lit. Hang on. Square. Hey, hey. We're getting wet here. That's a nice one there now. That must be because I grinded it off for you.
Must have been.
Look, he's afraid of getting shocked to the welder. Look, look.
Hey, I
Hey.
dig earlier.
Aye, well I got plenty of digs too over the past years. I wouldn't be new getting shocked either, especially standing up here in a puddle. Right, we're getting wet and we're making progress. Trevor's starting to work on this here just because I'm talking to the camera.
Yeah.
We have all these here welded, looking sweet. Bop, 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 bop. It might be worth mentioning that all them doubles, between all them doubles, what is it? 14 foot 6, 4.15 meters. It had to be spaced out. There's more of a gap here, only because it overhangs, and it wouldn't have sat right anyway, because the overhang's 4.15 meters. Right, let's get on these doors. Hey, here. Are you ready? Did you turn that? That's all right. I want to need to make sure that it's going the right road whenever we lock it in.
That's right, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's right. Aye, the lights to the outside, so it's sitting like that. It's a whole lot better than going like this here.
That's right, isn't
And
it?
picture we're 8 inches off the ground too at this stage.
Should hit that.
Need the buffing disc. It's called a flap disc. I says, what's the proper name for them? I says to Jason, what is the proper name? He says, I goes to a floppy disc. He goes, no, that's for a PC.
That's for a PC, that he said.
This is me just taking off the ski slopes from Trevor's handiwork. That looks deadly now.
What are we
Coat of
doing
paint.
now then?
Coat of paint. That's that done. We need a bolt.
You have to put your...
We need a bolt, but we need to do the other side first. Have to watch out, this is my new coat. I was going to hedging and I didn't want to go home to get my body warmer and I stopped and bought a new one. 20 quid or something. Made of plastic. Going back there and look at that there. So watch the camera.
Down the hill a wee bit, hold on.
We could use the tape.
There.
Right here.
Aye.
It has to be in line with the latch at the bottom. I hope so.
Line with. Give it a wee.
Looks sweet.
Alright.
Looks sweet. That looks alright there. Nothing wrong with that, hey? Nothing wrong with a few ski slopes. That looks sweet.
Good job. Alright.
Lockbox! Lockbox, baby! Right, we'll just close.
Desperate tight, Peter.
Oh, that's too tight, isn't it?
Them hinges is catching or so.
Alright, hang on, we'll try it again. We'll just keep that one
I
closed.
think you'll have to jack that up.
Aye, well, I never levelled it from under, put it into place,
Oh,
so...
then that's what it is.
Right, so keep it close tonight and we'll weld this lockbox on. Yeah, we need to close that over just and get them lined up that way, get tacked together. Right, highlight for that to fit in there. Weld this one on and then we'll space this one accordingly.
Okay.
Not be clean, not so handy.
Hold on.
Fire in the hole. Spit on it. Guys, this is called bulletproof in the lockbox, welding inside it. Take more than a crowbar to get that out. Right, look. Whenever I was looking for that flap disc and I couldn't find it, this is something I want to show you. Stand back and I'll show these guys too, because you're the one that asked me about it. Right, look. I was going to tie off the sheep wire with this here, the twist. Remember I done it on my thing and you were asking, so and I couldn't find the wire. Ended up using the strainer wire. Bring the camera in closer there, look at it through it. Obviously nothing to it as long as that, but
That's some job. Is that
that's what they're after there.
what they're used for locking sumps and stuff motorbikes?
Aye, that's what they're using when we were racing. You weren't allowed to have any bolts. In case the nut come loose, you had to put that on.
You had to wire them.
Well, price of bolts, didn't want to be losing them. That's that anyway. Anyway, back to the build. See, even if that, I know it'd be ideally, there'd have an extra piece in that, but
Ideally it would.
but that door sitting in past that there, look.
Yeah.
Like, this door's still sitting out, I think, because it's not closing right. It can't, if it's closed, it's closed. See there, look. Something up with that. See the light? This end of the door is dropped. That's the problem. So this end needs to be raised to bring her back into. No,
If you raise that end, it's going to drop that more.
need to go the other way.
You need to raise.
This end needs to go up. Look, the steam coming off us. Is it going up?
You need something to pump it.
Right, what have we got to pump it?
You don't have a socket set in the Jeep?
I might have actually just
Use the extension.
half-inch.
I use the extension for it.
Go and step back and see, is it moving in underneath at all? Well, you can see it, can you? This here's lifting. Is the jack up there? What is?
Yeah.
The jack is? How do you know?
Oh, it's broken. Come off. That can be fixed. Not
Or is
bad
it just
enough.
it's not strong enough to
Not bad
to
enough,
lift
but-
it? Oh no, another word for that. Too wee.
2 weeks.
It's not broke, but
Not broke.
phew, money saved.